5 little chicks are we, happy on the farm you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little chicks went out to play in the sunshine bright today.
Mama Hen said, "Cluck, cluck, cluck, cluck," but only 4 little chicks came back.
4 little chicks with tiny feet, pecking corn so good to eat. Mama Hen said, "Cluck, cluck, cluck, cluck," but only 3 little chicks came back. 2 little chicks went far to roam, past the fence and lost their home. 1 little chick, so small and shy, looked for friends beneath the sky. Mama Orpington Hen said, "Cluck, cluck, cluck, cluck," but none of the 5 little Orpington chicks came back. Sad Mama Hen went out one day over the hill